Sige, Maria, maghanap na tayong kakainan kasi nga kanina pa tayo lakad ng lakad.
Correct.
Oh my God.
Gutom na ako.
Oo nga. Ay, gutom na rin ako talaga, Maria. Kaya ngayon maghanap na tayo ng kakainan natin, di ba?
Ayun doon siya tatabi yung puno. Nakakagula.
Oo nga. Look at that, dancing. Oh, you look the same. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh, let's look for a place to get some food, Maria. Are you tired?
Correct. Not really.
Not really. Malakas pa ang energy.
Malakas pa energy kasi hindi ganun kainit.
Yeah. Oo nga, hindi ganun mainit. So medyo
Correct.
windy siya.
Tapos windy. Ay, madami pa pala doon. So okay lang. Halika muna.
Ay, eto na naman. Oh, sige na Maria, alam ko gusto mo dyan. Punta ka na. Hindi na kita pipigilan.
Hindi, okay na.
Okay lang?
May basket na ako.
Oo, kasi nga pag pumunta kayo sa bahay ni Maria, makita niyo yung bahay niya. Puro
Basket.
Kasi mahilig si Maria sa mga ganyan. Diba?
Sa
Oy,
mga native ang
Eto yata mga kainan, Maria.
Halika,
Another
tingin
hills din.
tayo.
Halika, akit tayo doon.
Correct.
Oo.
Tingin tayo na makakainan natin.
Oo nga. Oh my gosh, gutom na kasi si Maria. Ako din. Well, Maria found some food places. So let's go and walk. Oh my gosh.
Kainan na!
Oo nga, ano yung gusto mong kainin ngayon, Maria?
Ang dami. Gutom kasi ako. May siopaw doon.
Sige.
May fried bread.
Fried bread, oo.
Basta masarap yung fried breads nila.
Nakatingin ka na ng fried bread?
Hindi. Ngayon ko nga lang nakarinig ng fried
Well,
bread eh.
bili mo siya para matikman mo.
O,
Di ba?
sige na.
Ako din di ko pa natitikman yan eh. So, let's try, Maria.
Ang maraming parang mga
Oo.
cheese.
Oo nga, sige. Ayun na lang. Uy.
Tingnan
Oo,
natin.
tingnan natin. Tinanggal ko yung sombrero ko kasi ba naman, super hangin. Tapos motorway na to, baka mamaya mahulog yung sombrero ko sa
Correct.
motorway.
Wala pa naman ang David Jones ngayon.
Kaya nga. O sige, pili na tayo dyan, Maria, kasi mukha siyang masarap, Maria. Oh. Okay, let's queue up, Maria. Oh, Maria, ang daming options. Ano yung mga options nila?
Ayan, pesto, harissa.
Oo.
Uy, meron pala nun, spicy herb and jalapeno.
Oh, what are you
Or maybe
thinking
just
of?
this one, harissa special.
Oo, siyempre, kunin natin yung pinaka-special kasi
Correct.
hindi natin palagi yung kinakain, di ba? Uy,
Correct.
pasensya na ang aking buhok.
Windy Wellington,
Kaya
here
nga
we
kasi,
go.
oo nga. Okay, so look at what we're going to get from there. Oh, ayan, pinafry nila yung bread.
Yeah, it's our first time.
Oh,
to taste
Hungarian
this one.
style bread is just there. Oh, let's ask what's this one? Oh, look at that. So Langos is a Hungarian style fried bread.
Okay. I'll just order the harissa special. Yeah, thank you.
And how do you say it? Sorry,
Harissa.
I mean the Langos or Langos? Oh,
Langos.
Langos. Thank you. Yeah, it's a Hungarian style fried bread. Oh, look at that. Wow.
It's nice.
Oh, first time natin makakakain ito, Maria, ha?
Correct. Kaya excited na
Super
kami.
excited tayo, di ba? Oo nga.
Excited ng
Oo
matikman.
nga. Oh, look at how they do it. Oh, that's so yum. Yeah. That's exciting. Gutom ka na talaga, Maria. Oh.
Super.
Super, super. Okay.
Tapos pag uwi natin,
Yeah.
magko-coffee tayo, cheese,
Cheese at saka
and
crackers. Yes.
crackers.
Before tayong
Going to
magpaganda
dinner.
ulit. Oo nga.
Kailangan medyo magpagutom.
Kaya nga. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Oh,
That
that's
looks
a pesto.
yum. Pesto. Yeah. Oh, look at that, Maria.
Do they have F-pos?
Yes. They should. Oh my gosh, I'm so
Have you got
excited.
F-pos machine?
Can you do bank transfer?
It's alright, I have cash here.
Yeah, Maria always have cash, Maria.
Submarine.
Yeah.
We just have it's lost its battery.
It's all good. Maria has cash. You must sold a lot of
Yeah?
food today.
Thank you.
Oh, look at what you're getting.
Fabulous.
Oh, we have that. Yeah. So what's in there?
Harissa with tomato and feta.
Cool. Did you make your own harissa?
Yeah, Kirsty makes it here.
Do you make your own harissa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
A lot of spices and and jalapenos.
Jalapenos.
Oh, nice.
Oh, this, wow, they look so fresh. I'm so excited.
Enjoy.
Thank you, we
There
will.
we go, $3.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
lovely day.
Thank you. Oh, Maria,
Just
what's in
taste
there?
it. Oh my God, so excited.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
And it's so crunchy.
Crunchy. Wow. That's lovely. I'm so excited for this one.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Sorry, what's your name?
Kirsten,
Kristen. This is lovely. Thank you very
Yes,
much.
really nice. Do you have any branch here in Wellington?
we're from Waiheke,
Oh.
but we're coming to Newtown.
That's cool.
Okay.
Newtown Festival. Yes.
Festival.
Yeah. Fair. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's why I don't see this one. First time for me to see
Yeah.
Langos. Yeah. Yeah. Langos. Thank
It's our
you.
first time to taste this. Oh, nice.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's their
It's
Instagram
really
there.
good, yeah.
Thank you. Oh, Maria, super excited ka dyan, di ba?
Kaya nga, ang sarap nito.
Oo nga, patikim naman ako,
Ano
Maria.
patikman mo, lalo na
Oo.
pag May?
Oh, oh my gosh.
Diba, ang sarap. At saka napakalaki. Diba, ang sarap?
Crunchy nga talaga. Super harap. How about the harissa?
Ang sarap.
Yum.
Pesto. Oh!
Hindi kasi Cindy. So what happened? Are you going to give it to us? Yes, we will take it. Yeah, thank
Okay.
you.
Because you can just use them, you know,
Yeah.
For cooking. Lovely. Thank you very much, Auntie.
can I fit in your bag?
We will. Well, ay, pinapakain ako ni Maria. Pakagat naman Maria.
Oh, yeah. Hati tayo ah. Oh!
Wow! Super fresh,
Napaka-crunchy.
crunchy and fresh. At saka ang sarap-sarap niya. I like miss tomatoes.
Yeah.
Di ba ang mahal ngayon ng tomatoes, di ba?
Correct.
Pero ang dami-dami. Alam mo ba?
Kakaiba.
Yum! It's so fresh, crunchy. Yum! Never had this one before. So happy.
Very.
Very happy.
Ang sarap-sarap talaga.
Oh, we did a really great choice, Maria.
Correct.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I love tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Yummy, yummy,
Can you
yummy.
hear that?
Super sarap. Kasi ano siya, although it's fried, pero hindi siya hindi siya heavy. Kaya ano siya masarap ano,
At saka sila mismo gumawa nung
harissa.
bread.
Child bread. Oh my gosh, that's so yummy.
From the scratch talaga siya.
Yeah, oo nga. Super
Nice.
sila. One more.
Talaga. Oh! Nice.
Hello mga kagandahan! Hope you all enjoyed our tour around the Thornton Fair. Si Maria kumakain pa rin.
Correct. Talaga. Ang sarap talaga. Sorry guys.
Nag-enjoy ka ba today, Maria?
Super.
Oo, nakakapagod lang ano.
Nice.
Kasi
Very
ang dami-dami magaganda, masasarap na pagkain, at saka mga locally made products. Yeah. O, tingnan mo, hindi na siya makapagsalita. But anyway, look, they are now starting to tidy up. So, they're going to open the road soon. So that's why, from here on, we're going to say goodbye mga kagandahan.
Bye mga kagandahan. Till
Stay
next time.
Yeah, stay happy and keep on loving. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to hit
like, and subscribe.